In 60 seconds I'll show how to replace the battery in a MacBook Pro 13-inch with function keys from 2017. Shut down, unplug all cables, and ground yourself before starting. Remove the 5 pentalobe screws and keep them organized by location. Lift the bottom case gently and set it aside, revealing the internals. Disconnect the battery connector using a plastic spudger to avoid shorting. Remove the screws holding the battery brackets. Note the on-screen torque specs. Carefully pry the battery cells free from adhesive. Use slow motion for delicate steps. Lift the battery out by the edges, avoiding bending the pack or stressing the flex cable. Clean any remaining adhesive residue with isopropyl and a lint-free swab. Place the new battery, align the contacts, and seat it firmly in the tray. Reconnect the battery, reinstall bracket screws to the on-screen torque specs, then reattach the bottom case screws. Power on and verify battery status and system information. Replacement complete.